Hi everyone, we're going to take a look at the item type for intermediate graphing. Let's start with the point value. So on star, it is graded as correct or incorrect, and then same for aware. As for your content and grade levels, this is mostly in secondary math. And then here are some examples. Okay, let's jump into aware. I want you to find the button for interactive item types and then find the tile for intermediate graphing. First, make sure you set at least a primary standard. You can either scroll or you can use the filter in the top right. And when you're ready, you can set that DOK level. Okay, let's construct our prompt. So we're going to graph the following, and as a reminder, if you need to enter any math text, use this sigma button. So I'm going to do y equals, and I'm going to put a fraction for the slope just to be fun. Okay, let's come to the bottom right to find that continue button. All right, let's think about the settings for our graph, what our minimum and maximum want to be. You can adjust this or you can leave it alone. I'm going to leave mine alone. Next, I'm going to look at, I want you to notice it first is going to require students to choose a type of graph. So because this is more of a low-level question, I might be using this in 7th grade or 8th grade. I actually want to tell my students to choose linear because this is not something we've touched yet. So I'm going to go adjust what I put in the prompt. So I'm going to click back to construct your question, and I'm just going to add that to the instructions so my students know what to do as they complete this item type. So I'm going to bold it. Okay, let's click continue again. So like I said, I'm wanting my students to choose linear, and this is part of you setting up your correct answer. Then I need to set up the graph. Okay, so on this one, regardless of where you put the points for your answer, this question type is going to grade the actual line. So it doesn't matter what points you put here. For example, I could have put this point here instead. As long as my students graph the line correctly, that's what's going to be graded. Okay, let's come to the bottom right and click create. And then of course, always make sure you preview it so you know what your students are going to see.